when you hit record.
Okay, I hit.
This is Adele, and this is Adele in her Bully Boardwalk. She's learning to walk. I'm using a sling to support her. And some tasty treats to keep her moving. You can see how she uses the sides of the chute here to push herself forward. It's tiring. She's just a little baby. Okay, stand up. Come on, Adele. Ready? You can do it. There you go. Good girl. Keep going. She's doing really good. She wasn't even able to get up on those front legs at all when we first met her, and now she's really using the front legs nicely. Kind of learning what those back legs are all about. We'll give you an update in a few days, but so far so good.